If you're over 50, that nagging ache in your lower back might feel like an unavoidable part of getting older. But what if you could calm that pain with one single, safe movement? Today, we're revealing the #1 exercise recommended by physical therapists for senior back pain relief. This isn't about building it's about restoring the natural support system your back has been missing. Before we get to the solution, let's understand the problem. For most of us over 50, back pain isn't from a major injury. It's often from years of sitting, a weakening of our deep core stabilizer muscles, and tightness in the hips. Your body's natural back support belt, a muscle called the transverse abdominis, has gotten lazy. This forces the smaller muscles in your spine to do all the work, and they quickly get strained and angry. So, how do we wake up that natural support belt? The most effective and safest way is with a modified bird dog exercise. This movement is a cornerstone of spinal rehabilitation because it builds stability without any bending or twisting, teaching your core to protect your spine during everyday movements. Let's walk through it together. First, find a comfortable mat and get on all fours. Position your hands directly under your shoulders and your knees directly under your hips. This is your tabletop position. Your back should be as flat as a table. Now, we start simple. We're only going to move one limb at a time. Slowly extend your right arm straight out in front of you. Keep it in line with your body. Don't let it drift to the side. Hold this position for a full 3 seconds. Focus all your attention on keeping your hips perfectly still and your back flat. Slowly, bring your hand back down. Now, repeat with the left arm. Next, let's do the legs. Slowly extend your right leg straight back, keeping it in line with your torso. Don't lift it high. The goal is to keep your hips level. Hold for 3 seconds and gently return it to the floor. Repeat with the left leg. The magic is in the control. Rushing through this does nothing. It's about quality, not quantity. This works because it simultaneously engages your deep core and your glutes. When you extend your arm, you activate the core on the front of your body. When you extend your leg, you fire up the glute on that same side. This coordination is exactly what your body uses to protect your spine when you walk, climb stairs, or get out of a chair. Now, let's add a second powerful exercise to your routine, the pelvic tilt. This is the perfect complement. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Gently flatten your lower back against the floor by slightly tucking your tailbone. You'll feel a gentle contraction in your lower abdomen. Hold for 5 seconds, then release. This directly targets and awakens those deep, lazy core muscles. Let's ensure you're doing this safely. The biggest mistake is arching or sagging the back. If you see your reflection and your back looks like a hammock, reset. The second mistake is holding your breath. Breathe steadily. And finally, if you feel any sharp, shooting pain, stop. A mild muscle ache is normal. A sharp nerve pain is a sign to rest. Here is your simple plan. For the next 2 weeks, perform this routine daily. Do 1 set of 8 repetitions per arm and per leg for the bird dog. Then, do 10 repetitions of the pelvic tilt, holding each for 5 seconds. This will take you less than 10 minutes a day. Consistency is your most powerful tool here. You have the power to change how your back feels. These 2 exercises are your foundation. They are safe, proven, and designed specifically for your body. Commit to this simple daily practice. In just 2 weeks, you can wake up feeling looser, stronger, and finally in control. For more clear, step-by-step guides to feeling your best after 50, subscribe to Health After 50. Here's to a stronger, pain-free you.